Layout of the Integra screens. This tutorial will provide an overview of the two main screens in Integra, the individual and the organisation screens. The individual screen contains contact details and information about people, while the organisation screen contains information about companies or organisations. When using Integra, we usually recommend that both screens are maximised. Let's start in the individual screen. To maximise the screen, you can double-click on the blue bar at the very top of the screen, or click on the Maximise icon in the top right-hand corner. You can see that by maximising the screen, more data is visible. It is also important that you can see the two white boxes in the bottom right-hand corner. These boxes show you the number of records that have been returned from your search, and it also shows you which particular record you are on in the list. The blue bar at the very top of the screen shows you which screen you are in. There is also a set of standard Windows menu options and a toolbar at the top. An overview of the menu and the toolbar is explained in a separate tutorial. On the left-hand side of the screen, you have the navigation panel. The highlighted item in the panel shows you the tab you are in. We are in the Individual tab, so the main part of the screen displays all of the relevant information about that individual. The different types of fields are covered in a separate tutorial. Each tab contains further information about the individual record you're looking at. You can use your mouse or arrow keys to move between the various tabs. For example, the Organisation tab contains details of the organisation or organisations that the individual works for. The Location tab holds the address details for the individual, while the Phone and Email tab holds information about telephone and fax numbers and email addresses. The Attributes tab is used to store information or characteristics about an individual. Underneath the navigation panel is the Recently Viewed Records panel, which contains the history of records you have recently visited or used. Clicking on any record in this panel will take you directly to that record, even if it's in another screen. The icons here will help you to see if it's an individual record or an organisation record. The organisation screen has the same layout as the individual screen. Let's maximise this screen too. Numerous hyperlinks on the screens can also help you to jump from an individual record to an organisation record and vice versa. For example, if you go to the Contacts tab, you'll see all of the individuals who work at the organisation. If you click on one of the rows, you will jump to that specific individual without having to query for it. Simply click on the hyperlink and the individual record will open.